In a bold move that celebrates automotive heritage while embracing modern engineering, ECD Auto Design, the renowned restoration company specializing in Land Rover and Jaguar vehicles, has introduced its latest masterpiece, the ECD Classic. This new product line pays homage to the iconic Land Rover Defender, blending timeless design with cutting-edge technology. Drawing inspiration from the rich legacy of the Land Rover Defender, the ECD Classic captures the essence of this legendary vehicle. Each vehicle is meticulously crafted at ECD's facility in the UK, where skilled mechanics breathe new life into vintage Defender 90 or 110 frames. With a steadfast commitment to authenticity and quality craftsmanship, every component is restored and refined to perfection. Equipped with a powerful TD5 diesel engine and paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, the ECD Classic promises an exhilarating driving experience. Whether navigating rugged mountains or sandy dunes, its robust chassis, advanced suspension system, and all-wheel drive capabilities ensure effortless maneuverability through diverse terrain. True to its roots, the interior of the ECD Classic exudes authenticity with black vinyl material and a Momo cork steering wheel. However, for those seeking personalized touches, a range of upgrade options is available. From premium materials to enhanced seating configurations, air conditioning, and audio enhancements, customers can tailor their ECD Classic to suit their preferences. The ECD Classic is more than just a vehicle, it's a tribute to the enduring legacy of the Land Rover Defender. Enthusiasts who yearn to experience the classic Defender just as it was intended will find exactly what they're looking for in this meticulously crafted masterpiece. Additionally, customers can choose from a selection of classic Land Rover colors to cover their ECD Classic, further enhancing its nostalgic appeal. Base pricing for the ECD Classic D90 starts at $149,995, while the D110 begins at $159,995. The specifications of the ECD Classic include a TD5 diesel engine, R385-speed manual transmission, all-wheel drive, disc brakes, and a 19-gallon fuel tank. Exterior features include classic Land Rover colors, Chawton white roof, 16-inch Wolf steel wheels, and Cooper Discoverer tires. Optional upgrades include checkers, wheel and tire packages, side steps, air intake, exterior trims, bumpers, lighting, and glass. Inside, the ECD Classic offers premium comfort and convenience. Standard features include black vinyl material, Exmor urban front seats, premium high-back middle row seats, and a vinyl dash. Optional upgrades encompass front air conditioning, interior materials, front seats, center console, load area seats, headliner and window trim, carpet finishers, door cards, steering wheels, and pedals. The audio and electronics package comprises a Pioneer radio, Pioneer 4 speaker system, and dash-mounted USB charging port. Additional optional equipment includes audio speakers, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, backup sensor, and blind spot assistant. In conclusion, the ECD Classic represents a seamless fusion of heritage and innovation, offering enthusiasts the opportunity to own a piece of automotive history reimagined for the modern era. With its exquisite craftsmanship, exhilarating performance, and customizable options, the ECD Classic is poised to become a timeless icon in its own right.